Hello everyone. Today we will learn about integrated material handling systems. After completing this topic, the lesson outcomes, which are number one, what are integrated material handling system? Number two, how are integrated material handling system used? What are benefits and where are integrated material handling system used? Basically, first of all, we will learn what is integrated. The word mean integrated. Things or people that are integrated have been brought together so that they live or work together. They are no longer apart or segregated. For example, when something is integrated, it's united. Different things are now together, especially things that used to be apart. For example, schools haven't always been integrated in this country. At one point, kids were assigned to different schools based on their race until education became integrated. Computer programs are integrated when they work together well with other programs. If a doctor and pharmacist have access to the same files, then their records are integrated. Integrated things are together. So, integrated material system from this picture, by tying all the technologies together, a properly designed integrated material handling system can help a company improve customer service, reduce inventory, shorten delivery time, and lower overall handling costs. Few benefits when you are applying, integrated material handling system technologies. They will give you some benefits about improved customer service, reduce inventory, shorten delivery time, and lower overall handling. So this picture shows when we are applying an integrated material handling system. With integrated handling system, the location of atoms as they travel throughout a facility through sortation and processing can be better monitored and managed. कि जब आप अप्लाई करते हैं मटेरियल हैंडलिंग सिस्टम तो इट विल हेल्प यू यू नो बेटर मॉनिटर एंड मैनेजमेंट मैनेज करेंगे जो आपके आइटम्स जो हैं आप सॉर्टेशन के लिए यूज करें प्रोसेस सो बेसिकली फ्रॉम दिस slide you will learn typically systems include automated storage and retrieval conveyors, which are all for distribution transportation. We are using these technologies and sortation, automatic identification, data capture, software, item order, fulfillment, control, tracks. These equipments or systems you will find the integrated material handling system nowadays. So, what are integrated material handling system? An integrated material handling system typically comprises three characteristics, which is cohesive, coordinated, and connected. Let's talk about cohesive. A system incorporates manual, semi-automated, or automated mechanical interaction with products, as well as collection and management of the information associated with the processing taking place in the system, including manufacturing, storage, receiving, shipping, picking, and more. Means from cohesive, these characteristics means it will give you information associated with the process taking place in the system. For example, manufacturing, storage, and shipping some other else. Coordinated, a system facilitates a continuous coordinate flow of material throughout each production handling stage, from manufacturing to warehouse to shipping. For example, this coordination minimizes delay, waiting, and intermediate short storage activities. And the third one, connected. A system links two or more material handling devices with a network of communication for precise timing of process and activities, including release of order for picking, replacement, alerts, and delivery of components to an assembly line. This is, we will learn what are integrated systems. It has three characteristics: cohesive, coordinated, connected. How integrated material handling system used? Integrated material handling system connect equipment and software to support receiving, processing, storage, picking, and shipping activities throughout a facility. बेसिकली यूज कैसे की जाती है जब आप जो है ना अपना इक्विपमेंट विद कनेक्टेड विद सॉफ्टवेयर, तो इंटीग्रेटेड जो आपको यूज करने रिसीविंग प्रोसेसिंग के हवाले से यू विल फाइंड इन असेंबली लाइन, कन्वेंस, order picking, production, and replenishment. So first of all, we in assembly, releasing a part that has arrived for processing. Means something connect equipment and software when in assembly line. And conveyance, sending an item down a conveyor or an AGV, which is generated by automatic guide vehicle, to its appropriate destination. Order picking, sequencing, order release to minimize travel time and speed throughput. Production, moving and process parts through a production line. And move on, replenishment, triggering, triggering a command for release of product from storage to forward pick location. Benefits. What are the benefits when you are applying integrated handling system? Provide a variety of benefits. So timely handle, and I will not go in deeply from the word timely handling and product control and accurate information it will give when you're applying integrated material handling systems. So what are the integrated material handling systems used? Where we will use this integrated material handling system in aerospace, appliances, automotive, beverages, chemicals, and so on. Hospitals, manufacturing, paper, pharmaceuticals, and plastic retailers. Retail. Few benefits according here integrated material handling system. Basically, material handling, integrated material handling system offer education, network, and solution sourcing for member and their customer and industry as a whole through programming and events. So exactly, if you learn again the material handling system and integrated material handling system help facilitates the smooth operation of all material handling equipments, some of manual, some of automated, and some fully automated. So integrated, we will discuss. So, what does an integrated material handling system look like? In most cases, you will find these three characteristics: cohesion, coordination, and connectivity. An integrated system incorporates all machine products, practices, and processes. An integrated system permits and encourages the continuous flow of material throughout the entire process, and an integrated system connects material handling equipment with warehouse control system and or enterprise source planning software. So some benefits: improve customer services, reduce inventory access, and shorten delivery times, lower overall handling costs in manufacturing distribution, improve inventory management, and the accuracy of real-time monitoring. What is integrated material handling? Again, integrated material handling system is characterized by its cohesion, coordination, and connectivity. The system ensures the efficient and cohesive operation of all material handling equipment, automated and semi-automated and manually. And continuous flow, the word coordination continuous flow of material throughout the entire process for manufacturing to shipping. The connection between material handling equipment and warehouse control system and software. So this is the three characterized in which integrated material handling is discussed. So this one, how integrated material is used. The primary function of integrated material handling system is connecting equipment and software to facilitate the efficient operation of all. Material handling equipment throughout all activities include assembly line or conveyance, order picking, production, replenishment. What are the benefits? Some benefits here. I will discuss lower overall material handling costs throughout the manufacturing, distribution, and transportation process. Improve monitoring and management to better facilitate and product control. Increase accuracy of information through real-time monitoring. Shortage delivery times, reduce inventory excess, and improve customer satisfaction. So that's all. Let me show you one video. Please watch this video. Maybe you will understand the overall factory integration of smart material handling. So this kind of video, maybe it will help you for understanding integration. I want to play. Before watching this video, I would like to show you this PPT. In this PPT, we learn, material handling, integrated material handling, characterizes cohesive coordination and connectivity. So these characteristics in any equipment, you will think that it is integrated material handling. Okay.
Vega Grieshaber KG in Germany requests their component suppliers to include information on a specific barcode label that enables them to import required information, such as manufacturer, quantity, MSD level, and more directly into ASM Material Manager. During the scanning process of incoming goods, MODI recognizes what information can be read and transfers the data to the ASM Material Manager database. ASM Material Manager then generates a unique ID for the new reel and starts tracking the material. Both systems have been seamlessly integrated to simplify the workflow for labeling incoming material. Once all the incoming material has been labeled, it is transferred to the SMT department for storage in the Cardex automatic storage system or manual shelves.
Sir, I would like to discuss this few points that आपने देखा कि मटेरियल जो आए उसके पास इनपुट फैक्ट्री में आए तो उसको उसने कोडिंग लगाई एंड कोडिंग लगाने से फिर वो डेटा ट्रांसफर हुई ओवरऑल इन फैक्ट्री में तो जहाँ मटेरियल मौजूद होगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में असेंबली लाइन में तो उस कोड के हिसाब से चलेगा मींस इट्स कनेक्टिविटी इश्यूज जो हैं कनेक्शन वो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
All storage locations are known and governed by ASM Material Manager. Vega uses C-Place C-Cluster Professional to optimize family setups for their products based on order entries in SAP. The operator selects the setup to be prepared on the PDA. ASM Material Manager automatically creates a material requirement list and reserves the corresponding material, preventing it from being used elsewhere.
So आपने देखा यहाँ पे कि उसने वही कोड लगाया तो ये ऑटोमेटेड में इंटीग्रेटेड मटेरियल हैंडलिंग सिस्टम तो कोड की वजह से वो अपना ऑटोमेटिक कन्वेयर्स में जो शिप ट्रांसफर में आपको मटेरियल बताया कि भाई ये मटेरियल यहाँ पे मौजूद है वो आपके लिए इजीली आपके पास मौजूद हो गया.
The PDA guides the operator to the correct storage location. ASM Material Manager sends a request to Cardex. The reel gets delivered. Scanning the reels with the PDA completes the transaction. Once all material has been collected, the operator uses a single-slot EDIF to kit material to the component feeders. Subsequently, the kitted feeders are positioned on the correct location on the table. The setup is then completed with material from the active feeder pool and guidance by C-Place Material Setup Assistant. The setup is verified by ASM Setup Center. Finished tables are transferred to the line. During production, the C-Place placement machines keep track of the material transactions, reporting all details of component consumption back to ASM Material Manager. For added transparency, ASM Line Monitor shows Vega's operators in which feeder locations the material is going to run out next. Thanks to the smart material logistics solution, the required replenishment reels are already positioned close to the line, enabling the operators to easily splice them to existing reels before the line comes to a halt. Once the order is complete, the feeder table is withdrawn from the line and inserted into the docking station. C-Place Material Setup Assistant checks whether the material will be needed again soon. The LEDs on the smart C-Place feeders indicate which feeders should stay in the setup preparation area and which can be torn down completely. With the successful factory integration of smart material handling solutions such as ASM Material Manager and C-Place Material Setup Assistant, Cardex Automated Storage Systems, and Modi, Vega was able to achieve reduction of floor space by 30%, time savings for material storage and picking by 30%, and time savings in the pre-setup area by 50%.
So Vega was able, to when they applying integration, reduce production floor and reduce the time spent on material storage and double the speed of its pre-setup operation. These are the advantage benefits about integration. I hope कि ये वीडियो आपको इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें मिली होगी. Thanks for watching.